Okay, guys. Okay, rain boots. Rain boots, yeah. Just the rain boots here. Rain boots here. Just get ready to go through the rainforest. I see people. They all change shoes. Guys, that's my teammates. Many girls. Yeah, today girls are tough, huh? Yeah. And we're waiting for other teammates. Because they're still waiting for the toilet. Yeah. I think probably we have to wait 5 more minutes. Can see that that lady with a white bag and in a minority costume. She's my tour guide for today's rainforest hiking.
对，昨天在那个对，是那年的8月份，现在应该买回去穿哈。在哪儿？在家里。
声音很洪亮，很嘹亮。哎呀！
就那个债主，他饿了肚子，就那个烤鸡香过来的，把它吃进去了，就这样没有文字，只有语言，就这样出来的。
哦，好的哦，那这个好难懂互动。靠那个嘴，
所以我们口语交流的拿汉语，我们学汉语是写的，就是拿汉语沟通的了，就是这样的。现在都是拿汉语沟通，我们水的时候都是拿汉语。
哦，汉语。
现在有点腐化了嘛。就是我们这个没有那个只有语言没有文字。我们看得到，我们经济收入就知道伏尔塔的那个下标数，就是我们
大哥，你直播吗？
没有，就录一下视频。哎。
可以记录一下。
对，你们2个Miko。
男生叫糟糕。
Miko 是吧 ？Miko 没错。
手机效应记得最牢了。
啊。
都是橡胶树。对，我们它那个地坑，我们是太陡，哇，真的太难了。这真的太陡了。 间就是有点冷，潮分有点冷，对吧？
你就下来，从他们种植可能跟你下。
青蛙的油现在青蛙多了，现在就是冬季还有就是现在冬天了。豆瓣可以很好看到的，因为我们是你想看到也看不到，有的是有，就是因为这里面有特别多，把它吓走了呀。吓走了呀，吓走。
Guys, you can see tea trees. High, so high, right?
茶树在生态的。
It's very natural, very natural
我们这边都是
tea tree. Poor tea tree.
我们叫粑粑，这个可以把这个包，
还有它人体
这个我们包大的那种。
Miko in this minority language means girl. Miko is taking pictures.
这是前体。对。
Bamboo. Sweet bamboos.
那个
There's some bamboo worms inside it. 怎么看出有竹虫啊？有斑点吗？
不是，这主体都它都是
啊。
跟这正常有点不同嘛。
啊，就长得就奇奇怪怪的哈，是吧？
那然后它下面有个虫眼，你看见没有？
啊，看到。
就是这里有个虫眼。
啊，虫眼。竹虫。竹虫。Guys, look at this. Typical rainforest vibe, yeah. What are they doing? So just get inside the water.
要抹出来啊，这是红色的。哦，绿色那个吧，没有绿色。
这是叶子。
绿色的很难找，绿色的很难找的。
The girls. I think today Chinese girls they like hiking in a wild. Yeah.
绿色很难找的。
Pretty good. What's that?
那个白色，淡白色的这个，绿色的很少。来，我们这个。
Look at that.
对。
A natural dye.
兽一样。哇，这也是好的。
来都来了。
这个呀。来，烧肉末。
哦。
待会儿会吃得到的。
Guys, the boats are waiting for us, and then today so many people here. That is why we have to line up.
我们应该先来这里的，这里的气候特别好，来吸收新鲜空气，这个这样说的。
Then you can see the raft. The raft, yeah, that's the raft. Maybe you can have a try as well. And more people are coming. And we are just stop by here and stand still. That's it. Anyway. Okay guys, you can see the swing, the forest swing is here. The forest swing. And our tour guide is lining up for us. Yeah, each team have like 5 to 10 members. So, by the way, my team has 7 members. You can see out there. Yeah, that's really time consuming to wait. But it seems there's no choice, no other choice but follow. But wait. Let's go. I think this team is finished. Our team is still. Our tour guide still line up. Maybe it's gonna take 30 or 40 minutes. Guys, still waiting. So I just walk slowly just around here because I think the line still long. So maybe we just free walk. Yeah. Maybe it's better, isn't it? Here, no more people here. Yeah. No more people. Yeah, I think the girls are smart. They, I mean, while they are waiting, they are taking pictures. Yeah, good. I think a little girl. She's a uni student, and the tour guide is guiding her how to make pose. Yeah, and that's her mom. And that's our teammates. I think her mom is a good photographer. Yeah.
你这个要这样平躺的自然可以摆这个姿势，要不要摆？
Well, I think this unique tree is definitely a natural background for photos taking, yeah, for photos. So that is why the girls, they are very excited to make different poses to catch the moment. It's good. See the shallow stream. What ula, what ula.
绿色的蝴蝶。啊，看到了，好好看。绿色的蝴蝶。
Our tour guide, she is introducing the wild plants to us, like this one. This one, you can see that.
这个芭蕉花就是那个了。
芭蕉花。
还有这里，大家过来看一下，这是水铃铛。
水铃铛。
我们以前是没有仪器，我们种庄稼的时候，种山谷的时候。 就是呢，这个鱼铃铛驱赶那个野兽。因为来偷吃野兽，来偷吃我们的那些山谷，就是拿这个驱赶的，就是这样驱赶的。
哦。
它水铃铛这个叫水铃铛。
水铃铛啊。对。
就是拿这个驱赶的，还有待会儿我们休息点那里有一样，还有一样。 驱赶的，你拉一拉就会响的。这个就是水铃铛， 带固定的那结疤，它的有个结疤，程度到了，再自然就倒下去了，把那个。
Okay, guys, we'll keep moving. We are keep moving. You can see bumpy roads.龙血藤，
它长在那自然在龙血脉，它长在上面，那个树上的长的这个龙血上的。
植物园。这个感觉真好。看这个树。Ameza, in her language, Ameza means heavy meal. Yeah. And now we're definitely in a deep forest, and people are excited to enjoy another swing. You can see that the lady, and she's standing, yeah, swing to the opposite side and then back. Still waiting, guys, still waiting. Yeah, there's no other choices because so many people day in day out, and I think tomorrow maybe even more because the peak season is coming. I'm satisfied at least for today, you know, because under the shade you cannot feel hot. Temperature is perfect. Okay, she's going. She's going. She's going. She's scary, but she's scared. Scared but excited, isn't it? That's definitely a unique experience. That's for sure. And later, one by one, I think I still need to wait for 20 minutes maybe. So now I'm enjoying filming. Wow, we just follow this natural narrow line. 休息点。好。可以。OK。
可以，你们不休息，我看你们的。
那是什么声音啊？
我们放个那20-30分钟。去吃饭的地方休息啊，我们。要休息吗？看你们的。你们不觉得累就可以吃饭。你觉得你要休息吗？
啊。
他们想休息一会儿吧，看你们写上了，我们走了。
Miko local 休息5分钟。
我要回家。
Okay, so we are here for the lunch. It seems we are here in the tribe. Yeah, exactly. They can climbing up to the tree. Yes. A local dish in the forest. Yeah. Looks very authentic.
我们茶，那这样。
因为
看妈妈，所以说你还读研呢，多读一点，多读久一点。
研究生那些没意思啊，上大学没研究生比本科有意思。对，为啥呀？就是课排的挺多，然后考试压力比较大。哦。你学什么专业？我学的是金融专业。哦，那确实。而且保研现在考研我很难考，保研有压力。对。现在考研也挺难。
Okay, so can you guys guess what's it? What is it? Kind of vegetable, huh? Natural, so natural. For sure, so natural, definitely. Sun still up there. Great day. But we're out of the forest, the rainforest. Yeah. Okay, guys, look at the bus. We're finally done our one-day tour. Yeah.